Hello, let's open some My Little Pony minifigures. Here is what the box looks like. There are all the characters you can get. I have never opened this before, so I don't know what to expect. I bought them from Aliexpress. There is some info. Let's take off the plastic so you can see it better without the glare. Let me take my knife to better open it. This plastic is really hard to open. There you go. Now I can get it off. So, now you can see all the characters. There they are. There are a lot of them. I hope we don't get any doubles. Let's see. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Let's take out this. And here is what the inside looks like. Little hearts, cute. Oh, there are even all the characters. My Little Pony. I don't know how I'm gonna open these, but we'll figure it out as we go. Let's put out all of this little hearts so we can remove the box. There you go. So, little cute heart bottles or compacts, or I don't know what they're called. Let's see, how do you open these? Can't find any tear strip. How am I supposed to open these? Oh, there we go. Get off the plastic. How am I supposed to open these? Look, there is happening something. Don't want to break anything. These are really hard to open. Don't know how to open them. Oh wow, this is hard. I don't know. Oh wow. How do you open it? That's the question. Oh wow. It takes a lot of strength, which I don't have, unfortunately. I didn't know that it was so hard to open. How? Wow, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to open them. Oops. Let's try another one. Is there any instructions? Nope, nothing that I can read. I should have figured out how to open it before I did this video. But it is what it is. Let's see if we... What? I don't understand. Let me pause this video. Yes, I figured it out. You have to use a lot of force. They are really hard to open. You have really to use your muscles. Oh wow. And the last one. Now I finally got them open, all of them. Let's have a peek inside and look at the blind bags. Luckily they are lesser to open. They are more easier to open. And we got a little cute figure. What a cutie. I think it's Derpy. Correct me if I'm wrong. There are 3 blind bags in each capsule. Wow. We got Luna, and she's really sparkly and pretty. Wow. Let's put her here, next to Derpy. Next bag. Trixie. There is her cutie mark, yeah. And she even got her little hat on. So cute. Let's put her there. And what is this? I think it's a sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker. Let's set that aside. Let's look at the other blind bags. And it's Fluttershy. How very adorable Fluttershy. Oh, she got a cutie mark on both sides. Very nice. Let's set her there. Next one. Applejack. Very cute. And of course she has her hat. Let's set her there. Wow. I think, yeah, I know this pony, but I can't remember the name. Please let me know if you know her name, or his, I don't know. Maybe it's a she. Here is a different sticker. Yeah. Let's open the next one. It's a different one. And here, I don't know the name. Very cute. Oh, we got a double, but it's derpy, so I don't mind. Let's put her there. And we got the Twilight sticker. Oh, another Fluttershy. Let's set them aside, the doubles. Let's open the next one. A new one, yay! Again, I don't know the name. Something with cherries, maybe? I don't know. Very cute. They remind me of what they called the little figures. Oh wow. A double again. Next one. Wow. Discord. Cool. Really cool. Wow. And we got the Twilight. Of course, we have to have a Twilight. Here's another one. I think it's Starlight Glimmer. Correct me if I'm wrong. No, I don't know which one this is. I don't know if it's Starlight Glimmer. Tell me if you know. Which one is this? Oh, we have a Celestia sticker. Yay! Cute. This is Starlight Glimmer. Absolutely sure about that. So I don't know which one this is. Let me put out the stickers. I don't know if I showed you this one. This sticker. How many have we left? I think this capsule over here. we have a DJ. Let's get the party started. Let's put her down here. Wow, I don't know this one either. Do you know her? I don't know. I put her here. One left, the last one. Let's see, who are we gonna get? Oh wow, I don't know her name. I don't know her name, but she is very pretty. Is she related to Celestia, maybe? Do you know that? She looks like she should be. She could be related to Celestia. I don't know. There they are, all of them. Which one is your favorite? I forgot the last sticker of Discord. Very cute. Very nice figures, but the capsules are a pain in the butt to open. I nearly cracked my fingers, and I think I broke a nail. Let me warn you. Let's see if you can see them all. I think you can see them there. Yes, but very nice figures. I would really recommend you buying these. As I said earlier, you can buy them on Aliexpress. I hope they are still available. 2025 it says, so they are pretty new. But I love them. I hope you do too. Let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.